is Payal Vaja. In this video, we will discuss about tablet processing problems and their remedies. Introduction. A tablet is a solid dosage form. It comprises a mixture of active substances and excipients, usually in a powder form, which is pressed or compacted from a powder into a solid dose. So what is tablet? Tablet, it is a one type of solid dosage form, and it is a made up of mixture of active substances with excipient in powder form, and which is compressed with the help of tablet compression machine. What is ideal tablet? An ideal tablet should be free from any visual defect or any functional defect that are called as ideal tablets. Which type of defects which is present on tablets? Defects in tablet are related to imperfection in any one or more of the following factors like tableting process, formulation factors and machine related problems. So defects means imperfection which is present on tablets. What type of factors affect to produce a defect? So that are the tableting process, formulation related factor, and last one is machine related factors. Tablets defects. That are the various tablet defects. First one is caping, next one is lamination, cracking, chipping, sticking, peaking, binding, double impression, and last one is motoring. We will discuss these defects respectively. First one is caping. Caping is the term used when the upper or lower segment of tablets separated horizontally during ejection from the tablet press or during subsequent handling. So what is caping? Caping, it is a term. So tablet is separated upper or lower segment horizontally during ejection from tablet compression machine or during subsequent handling of tablets that are called as caping. That are the formulation related problems and motion related problem. First one is formulation related problems and their remedies. Large amount of fines in the granules which produce a caping. So solution is remove some or all the fines through 100 to 200 mesh number screen. Next one is lower moisture content which produce a caping. So solution is moisten the granules properly and avoid a caping issue. Next one is insufficient amount of binder or improper binder. It produce a caping. So increasing or change the type of binder, that is the solution of caping. Next one is insufficient or improper lubricant. So solution is increase or change the type of lubricant and avoid the caping problem. That are the formulation related problem. Next one is machine related problem. First one, poorly finished die. So solution is polish the dies properly and avoid caping issue. Next one is deep concave punches produce the caping. So use a flat punches. Lower the punches remains below the faces of dies during the ejection. So solution is make the proper setting of lower punch during the tablet ejection from tablet compression machine. Last cause is high turret speed. So solution is reduce the speed of turret and avoid the caping problem. Next one is lamination. So what is lamination? Lamination is the separation of tablet into two or more distinct horizontal layers. So what is lamination? Lamination is the separation of tablet into two or more layers that are called as lamination. Formulation related problems and machine related problems. First one is formulation related problems. Causes oily or waxy material in the granules which produce a lamination. So solution is modify the mixing process, add the adsorbent or absorbent to absorb a oily material or extra oily content and prevent the lamination. Next one is too much of hydrophobic lubricant. So solution is use a less amount of lubricant or change the type of lubricant and prevent a lamination issue. Next one is machine related problems and their solution. Rapid relaxation of peripheral region of tablets on ejection from a die. So solution is use a taper dies properly. Next reason, rapid decompression. It also produces a lamination. So what is the solution? Use a pre-compression step and reduce a torrent speed and reduce the final compression pressure and to avoid lamination issue. Next one is cracking. What is the cracking? Small fine cracks which is observed on the upper and lower central surface of tablet or very rarely on the side wall are referred to as cracks. So what is cracking? Cracking means small or fine cracks which is present on upper or lower surface of tablet, particularly in central region, that are called as cracking. Formulation related problems and their remedies. First problem is large size of granules which produce a cracking. So solution is reduce the granule size and add some fine into the granules to avoid a cracking issue. Next one is too dry granules. So solution is moisten the granules properly and add a proper amount of binder to avoid a cracking. Next reason for cracking is tablets expand. So add a dry binders properly. Formulation related. Last reason, granulation too cold. So solution is compress at room temperature and avoid a cracking. Machine related problems and their solution. First one is tablets expand on ejection due to air entrapment. So solution is use the taper dies to avoid cracking issue. Machine related next issue or problem is deep concavities causes the cracking while removing the tablet. So solution is use the special takeoff to prevent cracking problem. Next one is chipping. Chipping is defined as the breaking of tablet edges while the tablets leaves the press or during subsequent handling. So what is chipping? Chipping is defined as a breaking of tablet edges while tablet is leaves from or separate from tablet compression machine. Formulation related causes and their remedies. First one, sticking on the punch faces. So what is the solution? Dry the granules properly or increase the lubrication to avoid a chipping. Next one is too dry granules. So solution is moisten the granules properly. Last reason, too much binding which causes chipping at the bottom. So optimize. So what is the solution? So optimizing the binding process or use a dry binder. Next one is machine related problems and their solution. First one, groove of die wound at compression point. So solution is polish to open and reverse or replace the die. Next one is barrel shaped die which produce a chipping. So what is the solution? Polish the die properly and make it cylindrical to avoid a chipping related issue. Next one is edges of punch faces turn inside or inward. So solution is polish the punch edges properly to prevent chipping. Last reason, concavity too deep to compress properly. So what is the solution or remedies? Reduce the concavity of punch faces and use a flat punch to avoid chipping related problems. Next defects like mottling, double impression, we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.